Hi there, welcome to Kneppyinvests and welcome to a new series, Chart of the Day. I'm currently doing Stock of the Day, Small Cap, ASX Small Cap of the Day, and I thought, why not Chart of the Day? Because I do like technical analysis, and if anything, I'm moving in that direction, and I do look at a lot of charts every single day. So I've decided on Solvar. A couple of reasons why I've chosen Solvar. There was a question about this particular company the other day from Landy Lee, just bought into Solvar at $1.42, hoping for a breakout after a few months of consolidation. And 5 months ago, that showbiz asked, could you have a look at Solvar and give your view? Thanks, Mr. Kneppy. And possibly, I might have had a look at that company back then and went, this is starting to look interesting. Or maybe just after that. Okay, for those who care about what a company does, this is a financial solutions company. They do provide finance. I think it's automotive and personal finance. And just to confirm that, yes, Solvar Limited is a leading provider of automotive and personal finance. I remember this company as Money3. Then they changed the name a few years ago. I'm not exactly sure, remember when they changed the name, but they are known as Solvar right now. Okay, so let's get to the, actually, what I might do is also have a look at announcements. So they are going or undergoing buyback right now, and they had the AGM on the 21st of November. A lot of buybacks here. Yeah, so really it's only the AGM that we've seen any market sensitive announcements from this company. Okay, so let's have a look at the chart. And the reason I'm looking at announcements is just to see what could have driven any shift in sentiment or the trend in the share price. And over the last 3 months, there's really been nothing apart from maybe the AGM. So let's have a look at the chart. And I have taken position. I'm a shareholder of this company now, trading it, not a long-term position at all. Now, if you do have a look at the weekly chart, so I might just start off with the weekly chart. Share price was in a beautiful uptrend when they were known as Money3 from 2012 all the way through, if you sort of ignore the COVID-19 financial panic, all the way to the end of 2021. In fact, the share price rose from about 40 cents to almost $4, almost a 10 bagger during that 10-year period. But the share price has been under pressure from 2022, maybe towards the end of 2021 until recently. And a lot of companies within this space have found a lot of pressure on their share price and the valuation of the company. But I think the market is, I suppose, overreacting. And I do think there's quite a bit of value in a lot of these companies. And on the ASX, you do find a lot of these companies. I was thinking of doing two companies in this chart of the day, Solvar and Resimac, but I thought I'd just leave it at one. And Resimac is a similar company than Solvar. Maybe not identical, but definitely similar in the same sort of space. Anyway, let's have a look at the daily chart. Why did I take a position in Solvar? And why is it the stock of the chart of the day? Not the stock of the day, the chart of the day. So share price in a well-defined downtrend. I can see it. I think it's quite noticeable. It was in a downtrend. Share price sort of was trying to find a base. There was a really big down day on the 3rd of August in 2023. Share price dropped 34% on that day, and we didn't see much weakness after that. In fact, the share price, you could argue, just went sideways, which is telling me the market thinks most of the bad news has already been priced in. Not much more bad news, and that's been true. We haven't seen any more bad news since then. Share price hasn't taken a plunge. And finally, a couple of months ago, in August, the share price started to show signs of moving into an uptrend. And I took a position, maybe a little bit too impatient to take a position, just before the company actually did provide their shareholders with a dividend. That's why the share price actually dropped the day after I bought. Yeah, the day after. That was not timed. That's not the reason why I bought. The share price did drop on that, and that's why we saw this little bit of a dip. But the share price is now moving in a really nice uptrend. And the last two trading days, on last Friday and yesterday, which is Monday, the 2nd of December, share price shot up. Not sure why. Rose 5.4% on Friday and a further 5.8% on Monday. Share price has dropped a little bit today, but that's okay. We don't want to see the share price just keep on going up because that will bring in day traders, and we don't want day traders in this because day traders just spoil things for everyone else. I don't mind day traders. Now, the one thing I'd like to see here is a little bit higher volume. That's probably my one complaint about this chart is the volume. I'd like to see some bigger volume coming in, and that bigger volume would probably be telling me that the institutions are getting interested in taking a position in Solvar. The other thing I should mention also that yesterday when the share price did rally by, what was it, 5.8%, that was a long-term high. In fact, that was a one-year high for Solvar. Last time share price was that high was back in August of last year. So that is one of the things I am looking for, at least a 3-month high, preferably 6. But when I do see a one-year high, when the share price looks like it's moving into an uptrend, I do get excited. And I'm even thinking about adding to my trade over the next few days, particularly if I don't see any significant pullback. If I see the share price going sideways, that will be a good sign that there is strength in this company. Okay, so that is the chart of the day, Solvar. If you have any questions, any thoughts, leave those in the comment section of this video. Otherwise, I am not a financial advisor. If you need financial advice, make sure you seek out someone who is qualified and can speak to your own financial needs. That's it for this video. Have a good day. Bye.